Welcome back to Maintainer's Garage. I'm Bags. Today we're going to be greasing the drive shafts and the U-joints on my 2004 lx470. You're supposed to grease them basically every time you change the oil. I forgot last time I changed the oil. I was on a time crunch, so I didn't get to it. And you're supposed to do it a little more if you're, mudding, off-roading a good bit, or doing a lot of water traversing. The prop shaft takes a different grease, or takes NGLI grease with MOLY in it. The U-joints just take standard NGLI grease. Some people use the MOLY grease on everything. I don't. I've got two different grease guns with each grease called out, and the tape for me specifically, and the pistol grip is the MOLY grease. And also, there's some, I don't want to say confusion, there's some internets out there that tell you that, hey, you put a couple pumps in the prop shaft, drive shaft. The LX Toyota service manual says you pump it until the grease comes out of that grease fitting. So that's what I do, and that's how I do it. So let's get into it, and I'll show you under the car.
Okay. So this is the U-joint right there, and obviously it's connected to the prop shaft, and it goes forward, and we hit that and the center diff, and then in front of that is another prop shaft, which I'll get a better view of. There is a plastic trim right there that covers up the forward part, and I will remove that, but I'll make sure I get a good picture of that, show you that. And what you're looking for are the grease fittings. There's one there, and there's one inside of here. The same on, you only have on the prop shaft, you only have this one grease fitting. On the U-joints, on the aft prop shaft, you have a grease fitting in here, and then on the back of the vehicle, there's another U-joint, and you have that. And basically, you apply grease till it comes out. On the prop shaft, there's some confusion on the internets. They say, you pump 2 or 3 pumps. The service manual says you pump till you see grease come out. I'll show you that. And when I get that piece of plastic trim off, I'll show you that forward one as well. And that's what it looks like with that panel removed. They're 12mm bolts, and it comes right out. And then again, your forward prop shaft zerk fittings right there, and the U-joints there. And then on the rear one, it is right there with its own zerk fitting. And I'll grease those and show you what it looks like with the grease coming out. All right, so on the, again, the prop shaft, you want the MOLY lube. And just snaps right on. And if you hear that, it's okay, and you can see that's moving, and that's acceptable. It's totally fine. And you can obviously see the grease coming out there, and that's it. Wipe all that down, and you're done on the forward prop shaft. Now, the forward U-joint, almost 1 pump and done. 2 pumps and we're in there. And wipe that one down. And now we have the rear U-joint, and the zerk fitting's right here in my face. And there we go. That's simple. Alright, now we're on the rear one. We'll do the prop shaft again with a MOLY. And alright, it's coming out with the grease seal. So we're good on that one. Wipe this up. So now we're going to do the U-joint. It's the forward U-joint on the aft half shaft, drive shaft, prop shaft, whatever you want to call it. Not half shaft, that's on the vet. Prop shaft or drive shaft. There we go. There's a couple pumps, and that's that. Clean this up. Okay, we're on the rear of the prop shaft. Rear U-joint, grease fitting is right there. Yep, good as new. and clean the giant mess up I made.
So after I did the greasing of the rear U-joint on the rear prop shaft, drive shaft, put that plastic cover back on, 12 millimeter bolts. I believe it's six, I believe, 6 or 7. And that's it. So that's how you grease the prop shaft, drive shaft, and the U-joints on an lx470 or Toyota Land Cruiser. Thanks for watching Maintainer's Garage. Have a great day.